When students are in Canvas, they can use the Read and Write toolbar to help them with reading, comprehension, and writing. So this is a PDF, and maybe a student needs some reading support. They can use three different tools. One is hover speech, where they click on this icon here, and then they hover their mouse over text and it will read.
Giraffes, once thought plentiful, now.
The other choice is to select text with the cursor and hit the play button. The other choice is to select text and hit Control R, which is a Mac tool. Sometimes in Canvas, the Read and Write toolbar doesn't work with reading, so you always have that as an option. So Control R.
Giraffes, once thought plentiful, now.
Control R to pause. There are also onboard dictionaries here, so if a student wanted to look up the word giraffes, they highlight it, they go to the dictionary icon. They can have the word read aloud, they can have the definition read aloud as well if they choose. You also have a picture dictionary, which can help a little bit more with comprehension of certain words. You also have highlighters here. If you selected text, you wanted to take some sentences or words, you can click on the highlight after you've chosen the word. So let's talk about writing. If there was an assignment where you had to write a sentence about giraffes in this space, for example, you can use your text box, click wherever you'd like, and start typing. If you need the support of dictation, you have a couple of ways to access that. One is here on this icon here. That's Talk and Type. Click on that. I'm learning about giraffes today. It puts it into the box for you. If you want to have that read aloud to check for accuracy, highlight that text and hit Control R.
I'm learning about giraffes today.
You can also access the tool on the Mac by hitting the F5 key. That's the same. On the Read and Write toolbar, there is a new word prediction tool called CoWriter. It's replacing the previous one. It's over here on the far left. So whether you're in Canvas or you're on a Google Doc, you can use this tool to help with spelling. So let's create a text box. And now we will activate CoWriter. So the default tool has some settings that we prefer to change. So let's go right up and change them now. Top right corner, there's three dots. And you're going to go to prediction here. You're going to change the number of results or guesses to the maximum, which is 10. We also like students to uncheck follow the cursor and to check the box that says read prediction suggestions on hover. And then the other settings should look like this. When you're finished, you have to move this out of the way, close the settings box, and now you're ready to go. So let's activate CoWriter again through the Read and Write tool. So we have a text box. We're going to activate CoWriter again. And now you can see the list is on the left side instead of following the cursor, and there are 10 choices. So if I wanted to write, I am learning about giraffes, I can start typing. Now the word learning a student may struggle with, so I will spell it phonetically, and I will spell it incorrectly. So I put no vowels, but the word learning came up on the list. And when I hover my mouse,
Long. Learning.
I can hear the choices. So learning was the word I wanted.
Capital I.
And then about, I'll spell wrong again, and it came up. I wrote UB, about,
A.
and then giraffes, I'll spell that wrong too. There it is, put a J instead of a G, and here it comes up.
Giraffes.
Hit a period. So now this sentence is spelled correctly. If a student wants to listen to that sentence read aloud, unfortunately the play button will not work in Canvas for some reason, but you can select the text and hit Control and R for read,
I'm learning about giraffes.
and every Mac in the district will read that sentence aloud.